Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11. Today student we are going to discuss the program that is Armstrong number. So first of all I will tell you what is Armstrong number. So in notepad I will tell you what is the Armstrong number. For example, you can say that here is a number. I will give you here number. Number like 1, 2, 3. It's said to be Armstrong if the and here will be again 1. So if we are going to total these two numbers, I am say three numbers, it should be same as 123, but it will not happen in this case because it is not Armstrong number. If I am discussing about this particular number 153, so let us understand how it will be. So it will be 3, first digit is 3, second is 5 and third one is 1. So here again it will be 27 and this one thing is 25 and this 125 it will be, and this will be again 1. So let us total them. So definitely it will be 153. Okay, so this means to say Armstrong number. First of all we need to understand this, every element of this number we have to separate, that is 3, 5, 1, and after that every element will be cube, that is 3 cube 27, 5 cube 125, 1 cube again 1. So if you will total them, 153 will come. That is again equivalent to its original number, that is known as Armstrong number. So student, we are doing it practically, I am to say programmatically, through the Python language. So to open Python, here to type Python ideally, then after that I will save this particular program for further use. That's why I will use script mode. In script mode I will just provide the comment for the code, that is a program for Armstrong number, and then after that I will ask the user to enter a value. So value should be looks like a meaningful variable. Okay, so here or number or or value we can say that. Here I will use eval command for entering the value. So here eval raw input, within that I will say please enter a number. Okay, then after that I will say, first of all I will declare here a sum variable. Why? Because it will total the value of all. Okay, so here I have used a variable named as sum, and then after that I will say this particular while loop along with that, because I will separate the every element with the help of looping technique. As you know, in a earlier video I have discussed with that particular command. So I will use a temp variable also, which actually store the or value, or I can say simply or val, because it is good. And now after that I will process a while loop. Within while loop I will say if temp, because I will process the operation on temp, if definitely more than 0, it means to say not 0, then this loop will be processed. Then I will say a digit, because I will separate the element from the number. For example, you can say that number here is 153. Okay, we are considering the same. So first digit will be stored in a digit variable. So digit variable, we can say that temp definitely modulus by 10, it will separate the 10. Okay, and then after that we will say sum equals to, definitely it will be stored on that. So I will use shorthand notation, then digit double time multiply, this is the form of power, so I'm going to use cube of that. Then after that I will update the temp variable also, because temp variable as will update, my loop will consider as non-infinity loop. So here I will use temp, okay, root, that is floor division by 10, definitely by 10. So in this operation we have consider, we are just take out the one of the piece like 3, 5, 1, and we are also adding the number to sum. Now come out to the outer loop, and then we are going to check whether our this one thing OR number or value, if double equals to definitely sum, because sum will consider as final. And then here I will say to user, yes, number is strong number. Or simply you can say that like this, or we in else case simply we can say that sorry, try again. Okay, and then I'm going to just run this with a name number. Then you can see a message will come here, but here I have mistyped this particular eval. So now I am going to run it again. So now you can see this will come. So suppose that if I am going to enter 1, so definitely 1 will be Armstrong number, because cube of 1 will be again 1, and another one as we tested, that is 153. So this number is also Armstrong number. In the place of no, I will type here number. It looks like no, so you can see 153, so Armstrong number. If I'll check another number, suppose that 123, it will be definitely not Armstrong number. So student, we have learned today how to get or how to check the Armstrong number. The first one thing we have done here, we have asked the user enter the number by eval command. Okay, that eval command will says that whatever the input, according to that the OR variable automatically its a type will be converted to the according to literal. And we have taken a sum variable because it will store everything, say total or sum of the digits also, and temp variable which store the OR value. And after that we have processed the while loop. In while loop we are processing temp, that's why we have copied the OR value. And then after that we say that this loop will run, and then after that we have eliminated the digit from the particular number one by one by digit equals to temp modulus 10. First time it will remove 3. Then after that you can see here by default sum equals to 0. So digit of power 3, this is a term of power 3 as you will study in a Python basic part. So this is operator for power. Okay, one of the function is power, POW, but I have used here only particular operator. So digit of power 3, that means to say first digit is 3. So 3 power 3 will be definitely 27. 27 is stored by sum, and then temp is still 153. So I have used here temp floor division by 10. So that time 15 will be remain. Then after that 15 will process. Then 5 will eliminate. Then 1 will eliminate. Like this loop will be terminate. At the end, when control will come to the if conditional statement, it will say where the OR value, that means to say original value, equivalent to sum, whatever the last value. If it is equivalent, so it will say yes, your number is Armstrong. Otherwise it will say sorry, try again. So I hope student you have learned it well. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day student.